YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy Mr. Mitos. Back with another update video, you guys. So today I have T'Challa, my XRT, on the service table, guys. Wasn't broken, didn't need to fix anything. This is actually an upgrade. So check this out, guys. I've already took the wing and the back part of the rear diff off just to validate what I bought. So we're gonna go with the aluminum housing for the rear diffs and front diff as well. It's over here somewhere. Got this cheapo aluminum diff cover. Gonna go ahead and smack that on there. Got these rings to go over the rear cups in the front as well as the rear. And they do have grub screws, as you can see. Got really good reviews on these bad boys right here. Over here, went ahead and went with the 30 tooth spur that's in here. This is still a 28 tooth pinion, but I got 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Don't know how aggressively geared this is until I run it. If it heats up too quick, I'm gonna just start knocking the pinion sizes down until I achieve the temps that I want. So I'm gonna start with the 28 and then we'll go from there. Over here, let's see what we got here. This is the Vidavon center diff 1.5 mod gears for the center diff. Look what we have here. We actually have a gear cover from Vidavon. I took it out just to make sure that it fits over those gears, and it does. So we got that too. And then we also have the 1.65 version. I want to say this is version 2 or version 3 of these Vidavon rack and pinion gears for your front and rear diff. Guys, check that out. 10 by 33, 1.65 mod for these bad boys. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust this down, get this replaced, take this top part off, replace the gears on the center diff, button this all back up, tighten all this stuff back down before I hit the front diff. So with that being said, just gonna go ahead and get this over with. I do want to get a run video in this video, so I'm just gonna speed through this, guys, and get it all buttoned up, and then cut you guys back on when everything's rocking and rolling. Let's get it. All right, guys, we done got it all back together. Finally. So as you can see, I do have the aluminum diff cover on there. Got these two cups with the grub screws on there. So check that out. Inside, got the new diff housing along with the Vidavon 1.65 mod gears in there. In the center, we got the mod 1.5 center gears. We got the Vidavon diff cover. Check that out. In the rear, we're rocking the same setup in the rear. Check that out. So we got some protection for the gears, got a protection over the top plate. Did away with the cush drive and went straight gear with the 30 tooth 1.5. Do have the 28 tooth in there, so it's 28, 30. So we're gonna see how that goes, guys. The truck sounds totally different. It has more of a whine to it, a very high pitched whine. So we'll see how that goes. Mesh pretty good, almost perfect. So you have the motor spacing at the bottom. The trick to doing this is set your mesh right with the top screw, raise and lower the motor, bolt that up, and then take the motor mount off, and then squeeze this little plate underneath there with the screw and screw it in underneath to give it that support, and then put your motor mount back on, and then it should line right back up to your spur gear, and you should be good to go. But other than that, needed a little cleaning, and this was a hot mess. I've never taken off the front of a XMX or XRT, so to get to that input gear on the drive shaft is crazy. So you gotta take a lot of stuff off to get to it, but I got to it and it's done. So I'm gonna throw the bumper on it, and then we should be good to go, guys. Should be all good to go. Like that, looks dope. Black on black. Trial and error, trial and error. Trial and error. Let's get it. All right, guys, what's going on? We made it to the park with another test and tune opportunity that we're gonna try to get it in. Field it may look like it's a little wet, but we're gonna give it a shot. Hopefully we can get a couple passes in here really quick before we get some company here. We had another park, guys, so we'll see how it goes. All right, just to give you a rundown of what I'm doing here. We got 28, 30 gears, diff cover. We got mod 1.5 center diff. We got mod 1.65 front and rear input rack and pinion from Vidavon. 12s, 800 kV, max 5. Adapters for these cheapo batteries. I got some batteries in the mill right now as we speak. I got 6 Azure 900 milliamp batteries from Island Hobbies on the way. Then I got these MCDs spikes that I've been running for quite some time. I've been wanting to run for quite some time, so I'm gonna give it a shot, guys, and we're gonna make it rip. We're gonna rip it a couple times, check the temps, because this gearing is pretty aggressive, and then we're gonna get up out of here. I don't want to waste too much time. Still another test and tune. This isn't final, it's just another test and tune, guys. With that being said, let's get it. We do have the GPS on here, guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and just put this in our pocket. See that it's tracking. Let it run a couple times, and then get on up out of here. right, let's do this. All right, I'm gonna come stand out here. Oh, it's moving. All right, let's see what we on. We're on 75%, so we'll get a pull on 75, and then I'm gonna. Oh, we lifting up.
Telemetry lost. RF.
All right, let me bring it back.
Telemetry recovered.
Hopefully you guys got to see that. Oh, it's moving. Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh. Yeah. It's moving a lot quicker than it was at the other part, guys. I got a full pin just for a little bit. Yeah, it's moving.
RF signal low.
That's full pin right there. Whoa. Too hard on the brakes. Yeah, this smug is cutting up, bro. I think I may have unglued one of these rims. I don't know, because it sounds a little. Let's bring it in, guys. Let's just see what that's about. 75% throttle, guys. That's 75%. Stop. That's 63 miles an hour. Off-road on 75% throttle. With that being said, let me go ahead and let me check these temps here really quick. It's moving. We're at 113 on the motor. That's not bad. 102, 100. I see 105 on the ESC. 107, 112, 116. Yo, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. And it's not, I mean, it's hot, but it ain't that hot out here today. We got a little overcast. Siri, what's the temperature outside today?
The high today will be 91 degrees.
91 out here today. We got 91 today. I don't know if these tires can take, yeah, I don't know if these tires can take, I don't know if these tires, damn, can I get my words out? I don't know if these tires can take 100% throttle. But so far, man, these tires are doing pretty good. They're just kicking this truck up, man. Yes, sir. Oh, there goes the pinion. Damn. All right. Well, guys, it is what it is. It seems like it's always something when it's about to do something. Left my mark out here a little bit, not too much, but you guys see some progress here, guys. Got some progress here. Gonna go back to the drawing board and red Loctite my pinion. It was blue Loctite put on because I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep it. But and these are the MCDs. I did have to bore out the hex just a tad bit so that it can fit over the hubs for other 24 mil hexes. They only fit the MCDs, but I had to drill it out just a little bit so they're nice and snug on there, guys. So with that being said, this is a great test and tune video, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, take it back home, get it back in the lab, clean it up, tighten it up, and then we'll be back. We definitely will be back. T'Challa's coming up in the world. I'm running for that 70 mile per hour, 180 degree all day run all day to the battery die. That's my goal. I ain't trying to go 80 miles, 85, 90, like, and then you gotta set it down and let it cool off. I want to run it to the battery go dead. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys enter into the giveaway. Link will be in the description below. And see you on the next video. Peace and blessings. Peace and blessings, guys. Go.